Hi, I'm so glad you joined me again today for another math lesson. Today we are beginning division. So let's take a look at our division notes to start off. And of course, because I'm filling this out, I want you to fill it out as well. So you can pause the video at any time to fill it out or just go along with me. Division is separating a number into equal groups. We know that when we divide, we are looking for the number of groups or the number in each group. What does that sound like? It sounds like something we just did. We just multiplied where we joined equal groups. We had a number of groups and we had the exact same thing in each group and we joined them. Well, division is the inverse operation of multiplication. In division, we are separating the groups, while in multiplication, we're joining them. When we have a division problem set up this way, it is our dividend, or the number getting divided, is divided by the divisor. And it equals, a quotient. The quotient is the answer to the division problem. And again, the quotient can either be the number of groups or the number in each group. When we are dividing, we already know our total. Because remember, when we're multiplying, we're looking for the total. So in division, we have our group, our big group, and we're separating it. So we know our total. It is the number being divided, or our total is the dividend. So again, when we are dividing, we are looking for either the number of groups, because we already know our total, and we would know the number in each group, or we are looking for the number in each group because we already know the total or the number of groups. Be sure and copy all of this down. This is part of your assignment.